Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Trovo chat not working or message not sending issues on your iPhone. Let's get started. For secure internet connection, swipe up from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off wants to refresh your network. Next, refresh the Trovo app. Close the app completely by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and swiping the Trovo app away to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, gently open it again. Now restart your iPhone. This helps clear small system bugs. Turn off your phone, wait about 30 seconds and turn back on and open Trovo app again. After that, check the Trovo app chat restrictions. Some chat requires you to follow the streamer, verify your account, or wait a few minutes before sending message. Make sure you meet all the chat's requirements. Next, update the Trovo app. Open the App Store, search for Trovo, and install any available updates. Old versions can cause chat problems. If the chat is still not working, log out and log back in. Open Trovo settings, sign out of your account, and then log in again. As a last step, delete and reinstall the Trovo app. Press and hold the Trovo app icon, tap remove app, then delete app, reinstall it from the app store and try using chat. Finally, check Trovo server status. Some chat problem happened due to server issues. In that case, you will need to wait. And that's it. This step should fix Trovo chat issue on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.